What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And we know what's going on with Kanye and everything, but 2 weeks before that even happened, I guess Gap kind of like they knew what was going on. They restocked the Yeezy Gap hoodies in the kid sizes and the adult sizes for $60 for the adults and $30 for the kids. Now, y'all remember when these Yeezy Gap Perfect hoodies first came out, I think retail was $90. You had to go to StockX, go. I mean, prices was double that, sometimes triple when they first dropped, but after a while, $120, $140, you could get an adult, $100, $80, you could get a kid. Now, Gap is just sending out emails and letting us get them. $30 for the kids, $60 for the adults. So I brought adult side and the kid size, and we're going to compare them to the OGs to make sure they match and everything's correct. Let's get it.
Tell them this.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So we're going to start here with the adult size. It still comes in that brown paper bag, similar to your Yeezy sneakers and slides. So that's still on brand like the OGs. And I thought this was super dope, by the way, for Kanye to just stay on brand with the paper bag look. Even though it rips open like a, like a post office envelope. And this here is the purple colorway in the Yeezy Gap Perfect hoodie. Now, as you can remember, I already did a review of this. I'll try to find it. It was when they first came out. I did a review of the purple colorway. And it's a dope look because it's more of a cardinal magenta look. It's more than just a Barney purple to me. So, or feels just like the one I have on, guys. It also looks like the one I have on too, with the wrinkles and the thickness. So, I guess, I don't know, Gap probably was holding these and was like, we're going to end our situation with Kanye. Let's wait to put it out. But let's get closer. You see the tag there, reads medium. I am a medium in the Yeezy Gap hoodies. I'm a medium in almost every top. I'm 170 pounds, 5'7". I go with the medium. Still gives me little room. But far as the perfect fit at the bottom, it fits perfect. Right around my waistline, guys. The hoodie's not droopy at all. See how it cuffs right over my fitted hat. So medium is the perfect size for me. 170 pounds, 5'7". If you are medium and you like that true to fit size with a little bit of room, this is the size to go with. If you want a nice muscular size, I'll say go down one to small. And if you like big plush size like the original essentials, I'll say go up to large. But far as material wise, this is the same material. You still have that Yeezy Gap logo. It ain't there. And guys, if you're new to the Yeezy Gap Perfect hoodie, that's the only branding you're going to see all through the whole hoodie. It's just on the tag. But the material adds up, guys. Let's try this on to see if it fits the same. Yes, sir. The fit is the same, guys. Same fit, no drawstrings, no need for them. As I told y'all about how the hoodie, it goes straight over. This is definitely a perfect hoodie. Look, guys. Fits just like the one I just had on. So the fit is the same, the material is the same, but the price is down $30, guys. So, I mean, I don't know your views on what Kanye's going through, but far as a perfect hoodie that fits, that's thick for the weather, this is it. Yes, sir. So this one right here, as you can see, the brown bag is a little smaller. This is a kid size. And see how I ripped off the adult size? This one, you don't rip like that. These holes, you see it right there? This is etched in. So the kid packaging is a little different. This one you actually have to push out and then rip. The other one just had the rip thing where I could just rip it. Yeah, this is a whole totally different joint here. Let's pull this out. And this is the blue in the kid size. Real dope. So as you can see on the left, this is my adult size Perfect Gap Yeezy hoodie in the blue. And this one here is the one I just brought for my son. $30, guys. Come on, man. This is a steal. The material feels the same. Let's look at the tag. Still has that Yeezy tag in the inside. Size is extra, extra small for my son. Now, I'm wondering if he could even fit this. I should have just got small. Gonna have to check it out. But yeah, same material, guys. Now, I won't really ask you guys thoughts and views on what Kanye's going through or the things he said, because I agree with some, but some stuff you just don't say no matter who pissed you off. So I'm kind of in that fine line there. Let me know in the comment section below if you're still going to be copying Yeezys or Adidas Yeezys or anything Kanye, man. I really want to just have this conversation with you guys because there's a lot of thoughts and views out there. But as far as the Yeezy Gap Perfect hoodie, $60 for adults, $30 for kids. It's a steal, guys. I know at one time, about last year this time, we all wanted at least one. We couldn't get it. Had to go to StockX. Had to go to GOAT. So I want to share that with y'all. The material's the same. The sizing is the same. The packaging is the same. So nothing's changed. I guess they just trying to get all the stock out. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Junior. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.